Yes, today we have discussions on sheet number 3 and 4, that is differentiability of a function at a point. You have only 2 questions in your NCERT books, but for your practice we have taken so many questions. First, fundamental concept, derivative or differential coefficient of f of x at x is equal to a is denoted by f dash a. The derivative or differential coefficient of f of x at x is equal to a is denoted by f dash a. And what is the results? F dash a is equal to limit x approaches to a f of x minus f of a divided by x minus a, if x is not equal to a. Second point, for breaking functions, take the left-handed derivative and right-handed derivative. Means this is the breaking function. I have taken one example for you to show that the function fx is equal to x if x lies between 0 and 1 by 2, 1 minus x if x lies between 1 by 2 and 1, is continuous but not derivable. लेंथी क्वेश्चंस हैं, पहले कॉन्टिन्यूटी प्रूव करनी है, मतलब केस 1 फॉर कॉन्टिन्यूटी, and for continuity means limit x approaches to 1 by 2 plus f of x is equal to limit x approaches to 1 by 2 minus f of x is equal to f of 1 by 2. If this is the lengthy question, you should speed up the steps. 1 plus fx is 1 minus x, 1 by 2 minus fx is x, f of 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 because it is x. So this implies 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2. This implies f of x is continuous at x is equal to 1 by 2. For case 2, differentiability, left-handed derivative, limit x approaches to 1 by 2 minus what is f of x minus f of 1 by 2 upon x minus 1 by 2, because this is the formula that you have to remember. F dash a is equal to x approaches to a now from it is 1 by 2 fx minus f of 1 by 2 upon x minus 1 by 2. Limit x approaches to 1 by 2 minus less than 1 x minus 1 by 2, f of 1 by 2 is 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 by 2. If you cancel this, answer is 1. Right-handed derivative, limit x approaches to 1 by 2 plus f of x minus f of 1 by 2 upon x minus 1 by 2. This is equal to limit x approaches to 1 by 2 plus what is fx? 1 minus x minus 1 by 2 तो दिस इज लिमिट x अप्रोचेज टू 1/2 प्लस माइनस साइन कॉमन x minus 1/2 upon x minus 1/2. Answer is -1. So this implies left-handed derivative is not equal to. This implies fx is not differentiable at x is equal to 1/2. वेरी सिंपल एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस, बट थ्योरी आपको पता होनी चाहिए. नॉर्मली स्टूडेंट्स को डिफरेंशिएबिलिटी के डेफिनेशंस याद नहीं रहती, बट एनसीईआरटी में मेंशंस हैं. तो पॉइंट नंबर 1 मैंने आपसे डिस्कस कर लिया. पॉइंट नंबर 2, फॉर ब्रेकिंग फंक्शन आई एम टेकिंग लेफ्ट हैंडेड डेरिवेटिव इज इक्वल टू राइट हैंडेड डेरिवेटिव. पॉइंट नंबर 3, a function fx is derivable at x is equal to a if the right-handed derivative and left-handed derivative at a point exist. Exist means definite values, means कोई भी रियल वैल्यू चाहिए मुझे, नॉट डिफाइंड क्वांटिटी नहीं चाहिए. एग्जिस्ट का मीनिंग यही है, एनी रियल वैल्यू. एग्जिस्ट मीन्स एनी रियल वैल्यूज एंड आर इक्वल भी होने चाहिए. पॉइंट नंबर 4, एवरी फंक्शन दैट हैज ए फाइनाइट डेरिवेटिव एट ए इज कॉन्टिन्यूस एट दैट पॉइंट. मतलब एवरी डेरिवेबल फंक्शन इज ऑलवेज कॉन्टिन्यूस. ये पॉइंट हम रोल्स थ्योरम में आगे यूज करेंगे, बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है. Converse of the above result is not true, because if the function is continuous doesn't mean it will be derivable. 6, if fx is derivable for every point of the interval, if fx is derivable for every point of the interval in which it is defined, then it is continuous in that interval. कोई इंटरवल्स में अगर जो फंक्शन आपका डेरिवेटिव है हर पॉइंट के ऊपर डिफाइंड है, तब आप उस फंक्शन को कॉन्टीन्यूस कहेंगे इन दैट इंटरवल्स. ये भी हम लोग इंक्रीजिंग डिक्रीजिंग मैक्सिमा मिनिमा इन सब चीज़ों में चेक करते हैं. इन पॉइंटों को आप बार बार पढ़ना, उससे आपको